This is for the own sound. Ound, as in the word sound. Sound. It's a diphthong word, so we want to make sure that we create the ow, combination of the ah and the oo. Ow, ow, ow sound. Sound. Number 1, sound. Sound. Ow. Ound. Ound. So you've got the ow, and then you've got the n. N. Tongue goes up. N to the roof of the mouth near the alveolar ridge. N. Ow. N. And then the d sound. With that D, stop. It's a stop consonant. So we quiet the D, so we sound. Sound. Number 1, the sound was loud. The sound was loud. The sound was loud. 2, ground. 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 Consonant cluster, gr, gr, ground. The ground was soft. The ground was soft. Number 3, bound. 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 She was bound to find the town. She was bound to find the town. Bound. 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 Number 4, found. Found. She found her bag. She found her bag. Found. 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 She found her bag. Number 5, hound. 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 The hound barked loudly. The hound barked loudly. 6, round. Round. Remember, when making the R cannot touch any part of your mouth. The tongue cannot touch any part of the mouth. If it does, it makes a you want it to be ra. See where my tongue is kind of like pulled back, not touching anything. It could be up, it could be down, it could be anywhere, as long as it does not touch any part of your mouth. That tongue has to stay without touching anything. Otherwise, it will make a different sound. Round. Pull the tongue back. Round. Round. The ball is round. Round. Those first six words were easy sentences. We're going to get to the medium ones now. And the next one, number 7, is pound. P. Projection of that P. P. Exasperate the sound. P. P. Pound. Pound. She found a pound of coins under the table. She found a pound of coins under the table. Number 8, astound. 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 I was astounded at the kindness of the gesture. I was astounded by the kindness of the gesture. Astound. Number 9, profound. Profound. Pro. P. Now you've got a consonant cluster of PR. Pro. P. R. P. R. Pro. Profound. 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 The sound of the wind was profound. The sound of the wind was profound. profound. And the last word is surround, 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 surround. The trees surround the house on the hill. Trees surround the house on the hill. Trees surround the house on the hill. Now, with those 10 words, we're going to work difficult sentences. And I've got 5 of them here, and we're going to add combinations of these words in those 5 sentences. So it's going to be a little bit more difficult, okay? The first sentence is, the profound sound astounded the crowd on the ground. The profound sound astounded the crowd on the ground. Profound, sound, astound, crowd, even though that one doesn't have the N right before the D sound, the crowd on the ground. So again, the sentence is, the profound sound astounded the crowd on the ground. Number 12, the hound found a pound of meat near the round pound. The hound found a pound of meat near the round pound. 13, she was astounded by the sound of the hound as it bound over the ground. She was astounded by the sound of the hound as it bound over the ground. Number 14, the round hound ran around the ground, barking a profound sound. The round hound ran around the ground, barking a profound sound. And the last one is, the hound, astounded by the profound sound, was bound to explore the ground. The hound, astounded by the profound sound, was bound to explore the ground. I hope part 1 is okay, because part 2 is up as well, and I'll send you the link to that. Good luck.